Hey there, you're welcome to another tutorial on SCtuts. Now, I'm sure you've heard some songs where the chords sound so smooth, and no matter how hard you try, your chords just don't give off that same vibe, that smooth, silky vibe in the chords, right? And I'm going to show you how to do that in 3 steps. Now, the first step is make sure you have a good chord progression, all right? Now, if you don't know how to play chords, I recommend you get my MIDI kit, which really helps you, save time in getting ideas for chord progression. So I'm just going to open up one of the MIDI kits. Now, the first step to having a smooth chord progression is making sure that the chord progression itself actually sounds good. And if you struggle with playing chord progressions, I recommend you get my MIDI chord pack, which is available on my website, or you can click the link in the description of this video. Now, after you have a good chord progression, typically when you click it in with your mouse, it sounds like. Now, some people would think, it's just all about reducing the volume, but let's reduce the volume and see how it sounds. You can see even despite reducing the volume, right, it still has that gritty, raw feel. It's not as smooth as, it should be. And which takes us to the next step. Now, to get that smooth sound is using or adjusting the velocity, okay? So to adjust velocity in FL Studio, if you're using Windows, simply press Alternate and X on your keyboard. Or if you're using Mac, simply press Option and X on your keyboard. And you see this middle slider right here, simply adjust it up or down. Now, you can press your space bar while it's playing so you hear it while you adjust to get the desired level of smoothness that you like. You can hear it already versus you can hear the difference, right? So you can see the velocity actually does help make it sound softer. Now, this can vary whether it's for guitar, for synths. Now, not all sounds are velocity sensitive, but for most sounds that you get to play your chords on, they are typically going to be velocity sensitive. So you can try to adjust the velocity first, and when it sounds smooth, you can just press accept. But we're not done yet. This is just the second step. Now, the third step is simply increasing the volume, because now we've lost some volume. Okay, you can increase the volume from the channel rack. You can reduce or increase as you like. Now, the fourth step, which is a bonus step, is totally optional. It's using phaser or flanger to make it sound even softer, especially if it's for guitar. So let me load up a guitar plugin. You can also use chorus. Let's use flanger and see. So let's try turn it off and use chorus. If I turn it off, and you can adjust the level. So you can hear it sounding smooth and nice. Okay, so now, like I said, this option now, there are many other effects you can add to get similar results, but it's one of the easiest and free ways to do it based on these effects typically come with most versions of FL Studio. So these are the easy ways you can use to make your chord progression sound smooth and good like you hear on Pro Beats. If you found this helpful, like and follow for more. I remain Sir Classy. See you soon. Cheers.